Welcome, everyone. Good afternoon or good morning, depending on where you're joining us from. You're welcome to this significant webinar today. So before we begin, I would like us to wait for more people to join the call. Maybe let's wait for like 5 minutes so we can have more people on the call. But while we wait, I would like to know where you all are joining us from. So you can put it in the chat box with your location so we can know where you're joining from. Thank you. Okay. I can see some people joining from South Africa, Jersey. You're all welcome. Nice to meet you guys. Oh, there are a lot of South African guys on the call. You're welcome. Nice to meet you. Interesting. All South Africans. Interesting. Nice to meet you. Yes, we also have participants from Nigeria. Interesting. You're welcome. Milan. Good to have you guys. Thank you all. We're so excited to have you on the call. We'll be starting in a few minutes. Well, we just want to wait to have more people on the call, join us on the call right now. Then we'll start. Thank you for joining. Happy to have you guys on the call. All right. Welcome once again. Thank you all for joining. My name is Larry Usman. I am a business development executive at Jacksonet and Edu. So today we would like to introduce you to one of our groundbreaking products, JeeTraka. It's a product that we've designed to redefine the landscape of trademark searches in Nigeria. So what the product does essentially, I would like us to imagine having the power to conduct Nigerian trademark searches at the tip of our fingers with unprecedented ease and receiving the results instantaneously. So this is what JeeTraka promises. It has a trifecta of convenience, accuracy, and speed. So these are the advantages that you get when you're using JeeTraka. So to delve deeper into the benefits of JeeTraka, I am delighted to introduce my colleague, Chinwe Ogban, who will be guiding us through the impact that JeeTraka is set to have and how it can transform the way trademark searches are conducted in Nigeria. So Chinwe Ogban is a partner in the intellectual property practice of Jacksonet and Edu, where she has become an internationally and nationally celebrated expert on African intellectual properties landscape. She's also a member of the firm's technology, media, and entertainment sector. She has exercised more than 10 years of industry experiences to the benefit of blue chip clients. She's particularly adept at IP prosecution and enforcement across Africa, as well as cross-border prosecution of large trademark and patent portfolios, anti-counterfeiting, and infringement management strategy. So Chinwe Ogban, without further ado, I'll let you take over from here. Hello, Chinwe. You're muted. Hello, Chinwe. We can't hear you. You should unmute.
I'm so sorry. I was struggling to mute for some reason. Hello, everybody. Good afternoon again. My job here is relatively simple, and that is to educate us on why we decided as a firm to set up the JeeTraka. And again, why you should subscribe to same. I believe I'm speaking to a mixed audience. So I believe we have people that are experienced as I am, and we have people who are new to the IP field. So I will give a brief background on searches generally. So we have different types of searches conducted at the registry. We have availability searches, we have proprietor searches, and we have status searches. Availability searches are usually conducted to find out whether there are conflicting trademarks, lookalikes, sound-alikes on the records. And status searches are conducted to find out the current state of trademarks on the records. That is, have they been registered? Have been renewed? Have they been, has an assignment been recorded in respect of the same? But our focus for today would be basically on availability searches and on proprietor searches. And again, I'm sure we all, or some of us know the benefits. Why do we do searches at the registry? It's necessary for us to conduct searches to find out if there are conflicting trademarks that may be problematic to our clients or to us as brands in the future. And it helps you to avoid expensive rebranding efforts that may take a lot of money again in the future. So how search is conducted at the registry, as we may or may not know, when trademarks are filed at the registry, they are imputed on index cards, which look like what is on my screen right now. And they contain basic information like the class, the name of the applicant, the depiction of the trademark, and the device, it is the device mark. And those index cards are put in compartments and arranged alphabetically. So when availability searches are instructed, there are about 12 officials at the registry who have the mandate and the task to search manually for those for lookalikes and soundalikes. And you will agree with me that this is a very archaic and challenging way of conducting searches. And that is why sometimes when we prepare our search report, we usually say, please do reserve a margin of error because it's manually conducted. So there is the likelihood of errors. And for the case of proprietary searches, they are very challenging to conduct because those officials have to check those records manually again from A to Z and from classes 1 to 45. So it's a lot of work. It's a huge, it can take weeks. It can take weeks and months to conclude. And then if you've ever tried conducting a proprietary search at the registry, you will agree with me that it is very challenging. So that is what the tracker has been set up to curb, right? So what JeeTraka does for you is that with at the convenience of your home office, your regular office, or even at home, you can, at the click of a button, check through the platform to conduct availability searches. You can extract the information on relevant trademarks that may be problematic to your clients or to you as a brand. And you can also visualize search devices. You can see devices and you can compare them within seconds and within minutes. So it offers us the convenience and the time value. You won't waste a lot of time. It's more convenient. You can conduct proprietary searches to determine whether or not all the trademarks in the name of a particular proprietor. So it's a very quick and easy tool that is necessary in our day-to-day trademark prosecution activities. But I must add, however, one, that the registry searches are still the most veritable source of information if you want to conduct searches at the registry, because the information contained in Tracker is actually marks that have been published. So if a mark has been accepted and not published, you are likely to find it on Tracker. You are not going to find it on Tracker. And again, it does not contain information on the current status of trademark. So you are not going to find out if the mark has been registered, if it has been renewed, or if a recorder has been lodged at the registry in respect of the same. So at this point, I will play a demo video for you to see and understand the functionalities and benefits of the JeeTraka.
Welcome to JeeTraka. Instant, accurate and reliable trademark searches in Nigeria. JeeTraka offers an intuitive and user-friendly interface designed to streamline your trademark searches. With JeeTraka, you can instantly perform availability searches. Customize your search based on application number, class, year of journal, or proprietor's name. Our platform provides accurate, up-to-date, and comprehensive results of trademarks published in Nigeria. You can trust JeeTraka for reliable trademark information. JeeTraka is an affordable solution, eliminating the need for expensive legal services and reducing the cost of trademark searches. We're committed to your success. Our knowledgeable and responsive customer support is here to assist you with any questions or issues. Experience ease of use and smooth navigation. Search trademarks seamlessly with options like word mark search or device search. Find what you need within seconds. JeeTraka leverages state-of-the-art technology, offering you accurate and comprehensive automated searches. Say goodbye to manual searches. Choose the pricing tier that suits your needs. We offer basic, standard, premium, and enterprise tiers, each with different features and capabilities. Discover the power of JeeTraka today. Access Nigerian trademarks instantly and streamline your trademark-related tasks. JeeTraka, your trademark partner. Start your journey with us today.
So at this
Welcome to JeeTraka.
Yes, at this point, I will circle back to my colleague Lanre to take us through the logistics and additional functionalities of the JeeTraka.
Thank you, Chinwe. Thank you for that wonderful presentation. So I'll be taking us through some key functionalities of JeeTraka and how you can leverage these functionalities to be more productive. But I would like this session to be very interactive. So if you have questions, you can drop them in the Q&A box, or if you have feedback, you can leave them in the chat box. Your questions will be attended, once you send them in. So yes, to show you the functionalities. So this is the landing page, the home page of JeeTraka. So here you can log in if you have an existing account, or you can sign up as a new user. But for the purpose of this demonstration, I just go ahead and log in. So these are my login detail, login. So yeah, this is where I'll be showing us the first functionality, which is a search parameter. JeeTraka has been designed with different search query, so you can streamline your searches according to these search parameters. We have the name of the Mac. You can put in the name of the Mac or the name of the device in this parameter, or the application number, the proprietor's name, the class you want to search in, the year of the journal you want to search in. So how do you do that? Let's assuming you want to search for this word. You put in the name of the Mac, then you click on your search icon. So it brings you the results. We have over 300 Macs that are registered in that name. But to have a better view of your results, you can go ahead and hide your search parameters. So these are the results that came out. So these are the Macs that have that name. So if you have any, if you want to do any interrogation, you can go ahead and look through all the Macs. So to also streamline your searches, if you want to just be specific, if you're looking for a particular trademark, as long as you have the application number, you can limit the search to that particular trademark. Let me get rid of this so it doesn't interfere. So you put in your application number, click on the search icon. It gives you your reports. So this is your results, the exact mark with that application number. I'm sure we're all aware the registry doesn't repeat application number for marks. So this search makes it more specific. So if you also want to conduct a search under a particular class, you can go ahead. First of all, you must always put the name of the mark here to do search under class. Then you put the class that you tend to search it under. Assuming it's class 30, you put your class, click on the search icon, you get your results. So as you can see, there are over 114, there are exactly 114 marks registered with this name under this class. And you can also view more details of the trademark. As you can see, you have the trademark name. If it's a device, the device is always there. The application date, the class, the application number, and the name of the proprietor. So if you want to see more information about that mark, you click on this drop-down arrow. It gives you more information, the specification of goods, the details of the trademark journal, the year it was advertised, and the exact page it was advertised in. So if you also still want to streamline your searches according to the name of the proprietor, you put in the name of the mark, assuming this is the proprietor you want to search for, put the name of the proprietor, click your search icon, you get your results. So this is the mark registered under this proprietor. And so if once you view your results, you can decide to go ahead and save it. By clicking this button, it will save your results under your JeeTraka profile. So whenever you log in, you can always view all the searches that you've conducted that has been saved. Or you can decide to export it in PDF format by clicking this icon. In less than a second, you see the result has been exported. You can view your results by clicking this. It gives you your reports. So these are the advantages of using JeeTraka. You can extract your report. You can streamline your searches. It allows you to do many searches within seconds. So another functionality I would like to take us through is the subscription plan. So from this page, you can click on the pricing page, on the pricing icon, right next to the search icon. So it takes us to the pricing page. Here we can see all these plans that JeeTraka is offering. We have the free trial. We currently have the free trial, the standard plan, the premium plan, and the enterprise plan. So for the standard plan, you can conduct 100 searches within a year. So that's what the standard plan allows you to do. For the premium plan, it gives you unlimited searches, and you can also register 2 users under the premium plan. For the enterprise, it also gives you unlimited searches, but here you can register up to 5 users under this premium plan. So if you choose the plan that you preferred, assuming your preferred plan is a premium plan, you click on the button below. It takes you to the page where you can generate your invoice. Here, you'll be able to get your invoice and make payments and do your subscription. So to do so, you click on create invoice. Your invoice will be sent to you via email with the email account that you've registered with. Or you can also access your invoice on the Tracker platform by going to the invoice page. So this is the invoice we just downloaded. So you can click here to download and view it. So this is our invoice. You can go ahead and follow the payment instructions and make the payment. Once payment is made and confirmed, your account will be activated within 24 business hours. So these are the ways you can create your profile and subscribe to JeeTraka. So to go back to the home page, you click on the tracker icon, takes you back to the home page. On the home page, you can do more searches. You can go to the pricing plan in case you want to renew your subscription, or you can contact our customer service. So on the pricing plan, we currently have a free trial plan. So that plan allows you to explore JeeTraka. It gives you 10 searches within 2 weeks. So that allows you to see the capabilities of JeeTraka and see exactly the kind of results you can get. And for those on the call today, we are offering a 10% discount on any of these plans. So if you decide to go with the standard or the premium or the enterprise, you get a 10% discount for attending this webinar. So with this, I would urge us all to go ahead, subscribe to JeeTraka, start using it, and start enjoying the benefits of being efficient when it comes to trademark searches in Nigeria. So I would like to welcome you all to a new era of trademark searches in Nigeria. Welcome to the JeeTraka era. So I'll take it over to Chinwe.
Thank you, Landry, for such an informative presentation. At this point, we would entertain questions and answers. For me, I know you're on the chat box. Do we have any questions for us? Okay, so if we do not have any questions, I would just want to round this up by saying I cannot overemphasize on the need to subscribe to the JeeTraka. It's like Larry had said, it's a new era of Nigerian trademark searches, the ability to conduct searches conveniently and instantaneously. Okay. We have a question. Are you able
Thank you for the
search?
question.
Okay,
Yes,
Larry, go ahead.
You are able to search the device with JeeTraka. So from the demonstration I just did, some of the results that came out were actually word mark. I should have pointed that out. But if you can use a word that describes the device or the mark, assuming the mark contains an elephant image of an elephant or a cat, whatever it's in the device, you can use that to conduct your search and you get your results. So another question, does the platform allow me to check who the proprietors of a trademark are without putting the proprietor's name? Yes, some of the results that you get, the details of the trademark would include the name of the proprietor. So aside the name of the mark, the application date, the application number, you would also get to see the name of the proprietor of that mark, even without doing the proprietor search. So to subscribe, you go to the platform, www.jeetraka.com. Once you get to the platform, click on the pricing tab. It will prompt you to create an account. Do so, and once the account is created, you can go ahead and choose any of the plans. Then it take you through the step to subscribe. But if you're having any issues or you need support in subscribing, you can always reach out to our customer service. You can send an email to jeetraka@jeetraka.com. They would always be there to respond to any query.
I think Tim has a question as well.
So how often is the Nigerian trademarks updated on JeeTraka? So the trademarks on JeeTraka are marks that have been advertised in the Nigerian trademark journals. So as marks are being advertised, the marks that are that are currently advertised would be available on JeeTraka after within 2 months. They will be provided on JeeTraka, 2 months of the advertisement. So
question?
I think that also answers the question, how often does JeeTraka records get updated? So we update it as soon as there's a new journal that have been published. We start imputing the journals, and in less than 2 months, all the journal informations will be on the tracker platform.
We have a question from Abiola. Sorry.
Okay, Abiola, thank you. So how long are the saved results on my profile? Your results get saved as long as 3 months, but if they are new, the more you save results, it takes away the old result that you've saved. So you can only save up to 20 results. So once you've elapsed, the 20 result has elapsed, it takes it away.
Let me take Tim's question. It does not contain information on registration details, and it doesn't contain information on the status, whether the trademark has been renewed. It just has information on the trademarks that have been published. And I also take Paulo Lopez's question. He says, how regularly does the Nigerian Trademark Office advertise? Monthly? No. The Nigerian it varies. There's no specific time frame. It's solely on discretion of the registrar. So it's not monthly. We had a journal in December, and we do not really know when the next journal will be out.
Okay.
Bumi, are there any other questions that we can take?
He's attended all questions.
So we welcome more questions. If there are any concerns that you'd like us to give feedback on, we'd like to get your questions. But if you're not sending your questions now, you can also send questions later after the webinar to JeeTraka@jeetraka.com, and all your queries will be responded to. So thank you, everybody.
Thank you for joining us, and take care and have a wonderful day.
Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everyone. And enjoy Tracker. Bye-bye.
Bye. Larry, I think you can take Abiola's question before we log off. It says the subscription fee per annum. Do you want to take that?
Yes, it's per annum. So it expires after 1 year. Then you have to renew.
Thank you, guys. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you, Nicolette. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Abiola.